Bitcoin continues to go lower here, and today we need to have a look what is the potential bottom for this downwards movement for a Bitcoin, and where we'll be heading next afterwards. If you think that is interesting, then stick around here. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, also like this video and activate the bell, so that we will make some noise for the YouTube algorithm to get a lot of people seeing this. And let's get directly into today's content. So here today, we also have to talk about some warning signs on the chart. And one of them is here this, for me, ugly looking head and shoulders pattern. So you see we have here the left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder, but normally the left shoulder should be higher than the right one. Here it's the other way around, but this can still be playing out here. So when we look at the technical target, if we break the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern at $27,400, so then we're looking at a target of $23,700 to the downside. So that would be, of course, really bad. A almost $4,000 move to the downside. But also when we're looking at this here on the 12-hourly chart, there is actually down there some support. So we have a support range here from $23,400 to $23,800. So it could make sense to come all the way back down here and find here support and then go back up again. Of course, that will crush most of the altcoins back to insane low levels and will give us an incredible buying opportunity for Bitcoin and all major altcoins out there. And it might be the last opportunity to take advantage of such low prices. Do I believe for the time being that we actually gonna go that low? No, I don't think so for the time being, because it's a really low target from where we are at right now. But 25,300 doesn't look so far away anymore. And also here, this underlying support at 26,600 is also not that far away anymore. So a move to 26,600 and potentially a quick dump to 25,300 might be here on the horizon, especially when we are also looking here on the EMA ribbon. There you see we just flipped bearish, and this can go on for quite a while. So we have to be here really cautious. Even though I believe we're gonna see here first a relief bounce to the upside to retest the EMA ribbon, potentially, to confirm it as resistance, and then we see further downwards movement. So we could see a move here to 28,300-ish, and then dump back to the downside. That's basically what I'm expecting here for the imminent short term. But midterm, I expect that we go here all the way down to 26,600, 25,200,000, something like that on the 12-hourly chart. Also, when we are going here to the 4-hourly chart, you can clearly see we are now in that support area that I talked yesterday about, and we are still heading here lower. The stochastic RSI flipped also bearish now with a sell signal in the middle of the stochastic RSI. So also here things are looking not really bullish right now, and we can expect potentially a test of this bottom area, $27,200, and then hopefully a move back up. Because if we lose this here, I'm going to show you now on another chart what's going to happen then. So if we lose that, there you go. You see here, the next longest candle after this void is then all the way down here at 24,700, all the way down to 23,300. So that is the next support cluster that we would have if we lose 27,300, and yeah, let's do it all the way down here, $27,100. So once we lose this level here, things will get really quick, really messy for the whole crypto market. So, and that's why I'm so cautiously watching what is going to happen here, because the interesting fact that we are getting close to this gap here gives us potentially a new short opportunity when we are losing $27,100 all the way down to like $25,000. So that will be a really nice short if you want to short Bitcoin to the downside, that I'm also potentially looking at right now. So when we are looking here at the 30 minutes chart, here we have to regain the daily open price, so which was around $27,675, but it's not looking good right now from where we at. Even though the stochastic flipped here bullish on a buy signal, I still believe that it will be tough to come back over the daily open, especially if we close under the daily open. Then we also should expect further downwards movement. So for now we are here in a sideways movement, but also more or less testing already the bottom of it, kind of like here. So yeah, lose this level here, 27,436. That will be already a good short entry in my opinion, that we can take here, and that I personally might take in the next, let's say, 2 hours-ish. I definitely want to notify you in my free Telegram group. The link is below. Once I take this trade, and also don't forget, if you want to take this trade, do it on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free for using my link, and they have also now a debit card. So definitely a good exchange to trade on, guys. That's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a quick one. Please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.